हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 30 जून से लेके 6 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 70 करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट एशियन एंड इंडियन टेस्ट कैप्टन टू स्कोर अ डबल सेंचुरी इन इंग्लैंड इन जुलाई 2025? And the answer is Shubham Gill. Second question. Who has become the first Indian to be honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame? And the answer is Deepika Padukone. Third question. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the Securities and Exchange Board of India in July 2025? And the answer is Sunil Jaywant Kadam. Fourth question. Where has Steel Authority of India Limited opened its first international representative office? And the answer is United Arab Emirates. Fifth question. Which stealth frigate has been officially inducted by the Indian Navy into its fleet in July 2025? And the answer is INS Udaygiri. Sixth question. Where has Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurated the first national conference of urban local bodies in June 2025? And the answer is Gurugram. Seventh question. Where has Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil inaugurated the Integrated Flood Forecasting System C-Flood? And the answer is New Delhi. Eighth question. In July 2025, the Narcotics Control Bureau has taken action against illegal drug trafficking under which international coordinated operation? And the answer is Operation Medmax. Ninth question. Who has been re-elected President of Kho-Kho Federation of India in July 2025? And the answer is Sudhanshu Mittal. 10th question. Who has become the first country to officially recognize the Taliban government in July 2025? And the answer is Russia. 11th question. India's first indigenous polar research vessel will be built in partnership with which country's company? And the answer is Norway. 12th question. Every year, 4th July is observed as the Punya Tithi, death anniversary of which great Indian saint philosopher? And the answer is Swami Vivekanand. 13th question. Recently, who has been selected as the Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassador? And the answer is Sukanya Sonowal. 14th question. Recently, the Bengaluru City University has been renamed after which former Prime Minister? And the answer is Manmohan Singh. 15th question. The name of Jan Sahyog and Bal Vikas Sansthan has been changed to whose name? And the answer is Savitribai Phule. 16th question. The first Khelo India Water Sports Festival will be held at which lake? And the answer is Dal Lake. 17th question. Which state became the third Indian state to cross 1 crore stock market investors? And the answer is Gujarat. 18th question. Recently, a replica of the Ram Temple and holy water is presented by the PM Narendra Modi to the Prime Minister of which country? And the answer is Trinidad and Tobago. 19th question. Who has become the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Navy? And the answer is Astha Punia. 20th question. USA Independence Day is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 4th July. 21st question. Recently, the Padma Shri awardee, 79-year-old Dr. Munishwar Chandra Dawar of Madhya Pradesh, passed away. In which year he was awarded with Padma Shri? And the answer is 2023. 22nd question. Which of the following country unveils blackout bomb? And the answer is China. 23rd question. First national level conference of chairpersons of urban local bodies in the states and union territories inaugurated in which state? And the answer is Haryana. 24th question. Mountaineer Tegveer becomes the youngest to climb Mount Elbrus. What is his age? And the answer is 6 years. 25th question. Where will the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival be held? And the answer is Srinagar. 26th question. On which date National Doctors Day 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 1st July. 27th question. Recently, the tenure of chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes has been extended till June 2026. Who is the chairman of CBDT? And the answer is Ravi Agrawal. 28th question. In which state the festival named Bonalu was started? And the answer is Telangana. 29th question. Which state has been emerged as the best performing state, achieving the highest rating in the management effectiveness evaluation of national parks and protected areas for 2020 and 2025? And the answer is Kerala. 30th question. Recently, Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the newly established headquarters of the Turmeric Board in which state? And the answer is Telangana. 31st question. Recently, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation launched which mobile application for seamless access to official data? And the answer is GOI Stats. 32nd question. Who became the first Indian to win a BWF World Tour title in 2025? And the answer is Ayush Shetty. 33rd question. In which country the world's first jet-powered flying humanoid robot has been launched? And the answer is Italy. 34th question. India's longest animal overpass corridor has been unveiled on? And the answer is Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. 35th question. On which date World Asteroid Day 2025 is observed? And the answer is 30th June. 36th question. In which state the marriage hall Viva Mandap scheme has been approved? And the answer is Bihar. 37th question. Which state government launched Vidya Shakti scheme? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 38th question. In which state the foundation stone of Akhand Godavari project has been laid down? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 39th question. Football for Schools program is run by FIFA in collaboration with which organization? And the answer is UNESCO. 40th question. The Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for college and university students is implemented by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Education. 41st question. As per the State of India's Digital Economy Report 2024, what is India's global rank in digitalization? And the answer is third rank. 42nd question. After 5 years suspension, through which pass did the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra resume on 30th June? And the answer is Shipkila Pass. 43rd question. In which state the Shimili-Pal Tiger Reserve recently in news is located? And the answer is Odisha. 44th question. In which city the first Asian-India cruise dialogue held? And the answer is Chennai. 45th question. Which country is set to start its first ever household income survey in February 2026? And the answer is India. 46th question. Recently, the world for silicon-free computer has been developed by which country? And the answer is USA. 47th question. Recently, India has banned jute imports from which country through land and sea ports? And the answer is Bangladesh. 48th question. Which of the following has become the first Indian company to achieve 15 gigawatt of renewable energy? And the answer is Adani Greens. 49th question. Where was the first edition of the Rugby Premier League 2025 held, the title of which was won by Chennai Bulls? And the answer is Mumbai. 50th question. Which state is setting up an ordnance factory corridor towards becoming the new weapon hub in India? And the answer is Bihar. 51st question. SBI Foundation Day is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 1st July. The second question. Which organization has developed a portable test kit for rapid detection of Nipah virus? And the answer is NIV Pune. 53rd question. Recently, India's first wooden Gurudwara, Sri Nanak Niwas, has been built in which state? UT. And the answer is Punjab. 54th question. World Sports Journalist Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 2nd July. 55th question. Which ministry has launched the WaveX Startup Challenge 2025? And the answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 56th question. Recently, to modernize and streamline railway services, Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav introduced with mobile app on July 2nd, 2025. And the answer is Rail 1. 57th question. According to the recently released Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025, what is the position of India in this index? And the answer is 3rd. 58th question. Who became the first Indian women cricketer to score a century in all 3 formats of cricket? And the answer is Smriti Mandana. 59th question. Which operation has been launched by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to seize a container carrying goods of Pakistani origin despite the ban? And the answer is Operation Deep Manifest. 60th question. Who became the youngest mountaineer to climb Mount Elbrus? And the answer is Tegbir Singh. 61st question. Which state or UT hosted its first astrotourism festival to boost scientific tourism? And the answer is Ladakh. 62nd question. Which state government launched Jan Suraksha Santrupti Abhiyan to expand welfare reach? And the answer is Gujarat. 63rd question. Who has been appointed as the RBI's new executive director? And the answer is Keshwan Ramchandran. 64th question. Which organization has developed the Sachet system to send real-time disaster alerts across India? And the answer is Center for Development of Telematics. 65th question. Which group of nations launched the At-Sea Observer mission to boost maritime cooperation? And the answer is Quad. 66th question. Which institution has released the Financial Stability Report for June 2025? And the answer is RBI. 67th question. INS Tabard that was recently seen in news belongs to which class of frigates? And the answer is Talwar class. 68th question. Recently, PM Narendra Modi landed in Accra, Ghana and get honored by the special gesture of President of Ghana, named that President of Ghana. And the answer is John Dramani Mahama. 69th question. Which country has launched the Global Observing Satellite for Greenhouse Gases and Water Cycle? And the answer is Japan. And the last 70th question. Which department is the nodal department for implementing the Research, Development and Innovation Scheme? And the answer is Department of Science and Technology. तो ये थे 30 जून से लेके 6 जुलाई के टॉप 70 करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है द सेंट्रल एडॉप्शन रिसोर्स अथॉरिटी इज अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी ऑफ विच मिनिस्ट्री। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।